Before you buy your next trailer, truck system, or heavy-duty equipment, stop, because the technology I'm about to show you will completely change how you transport, lift, load, and maneuver on the job. From automatic sliding roofs, to modular heavy-haul monsters, to cranes that feel like they're thinking for you. These innovations aren't just upgrades, they're game changers. If you work in logistics, construction, ports, agriculture, or heavy transport, then what you're about to see could save you time, fuel, and a whole lot of stress. So don't blink, your next big equipment upgrade might be in this video. The DIAF driver assistance systems represent a major improvement in everyday commercial driving. Its advanced emergency braking technology combines radar and camera sensors to detect unexpected hazards, including vulnerable road users, helping prevent serious accidents. At the same time, features such as drive-off assist, side and turn assist, lane departure warnings, and speed limit recognition operate quietly in the background to support both safety and awareness on the road. What sets DIAF apart is its understanding that driver fatigue and distraction are real challenges. With built-in drowsiness monitoring and comprehensive blind spot detection covering all critical areas, the system provides drivers and fleet operators with greater confidence. It's practical technology designed not to impress with flash, but to be dependable whenever it's needed most. The NT Group Terminal Trailer is a solidly engineered solution designed for the demanding pace of ports and container handling environments. Built to manage payloads of up to around 70 tons, it can accommodate 20, 40, and even 45-foot ISO containers, giving terminals the versatility they need for varied operations. Its durable chassis, foldable landing legs, and optional container guides make it far more than a basic transport platform. It's a reliable, heavy-duty partner that eases workload, improves efficiency, and withstands constant daily use. Every feature reflects practical, real-world conditions, ensuring crews can move containers safely and smoothly without unnecessary stress on equipment. In essence, this trailer delivers toughness, functionality, and dependable performance tailored specifically for the dynamic demands of modern terminal logistics. The Pavelli Special Modular Low-Bed Semi-Trailer is a highly capable tool built for demanding heavy-haul applications. Its modular structure allows operators to adjust deck length, axle numbers, and gooseneck configurations, creating a transport setup tailored precisely to each load. Although detailed public specifications are limited, Pavelli's established heavy-duty lines, such as the STV Easy, already demonstrate strong payload capacities, often exceeding 15 tons per axle group, along with powerful hydraulic systems for ramps and remote-controlled functions. What truly makes this trailer stand out is the combination of modular flexibility and rugged construction, giving users both adaptability and long-lasting reliability. Rather than offering a generic one-size-fits-all solution, Pavelli designs equipment that aligns with the operator's evolving needs, making it an excellent choice for complex, varied transport tasks. The Maressa SRL PK26002 EHE crane is a highly adaptable option for truck-mounted lifting work. This PK26.02EH high-performance model provides strong capacity, lifting roughly 5,700 kilograms at a 4.2-meter reach and about 2,250 kilograms at its maximum 10-meter extension. Its multi-section boom allows smooth, precise operation, supported by remote control functionality and stable outrigger deployment. What really makes this crane appealing is the balance between lifting strength and seamless truck integration. When installed on a suitable chassis, it feels like a natural part of the vehicle rather than an oversized add-on. For teams that rely on dependable mobile lifting, whether in construction, transport, or logistics, this crane is a solid, capable choice. Just ensure the truck's PTO, hydraulic system, and stabilizer width are properly matched to maximize performance and safety. The Napen KX moving floor trailer is a standout choice for agricultural transport. Developed in cooperation with Cargo Floor, the KX series delivers impressive capacity, such as the KX7 Heavivity, offering roughly 77 cubic meters, while keeping tear weight low due to its strong aluminum build. Its moving floor technology allows safe horizontal unloading without the need to tip the trailer, making it ideal for uneven fields or tight farm sites. Practical features like a hydraulically operated tailgate, remote-controlled systems, and efficient sheeting options show that the trailer is designed for real-world harvesting, crop movement, and bulk haulage demands. Overall, the KX provides operators with a reliable mix of safety, versatility, and productivity, making it an excellent solution for farms and transport fleets seeking efficient bulk handling. The Faymonville CombiMax is an impressively versatile solution for heavy-duty haulage. Designed with a modular concept, it can be configured for a wide variety of transport challenges, supporting payloads of up to roughly 250 tons depending on the setup. Its Pendle axle technology provides a very low loading height, down to about 790 millimeters, along with a generous 600 millimeter axle stroke, allowing smooth loading and stable movement even across uneven or difficult ground. What truly sets the CombiMax apart is its standardized system of coupling heads, bogies, and beams, which lets operators assemble the exact trailer combination required for each job, rather than relying on a fixed, one-size-fits-all design. It represents a forward-thinking approach to heavy transport, adaptable, efficient, and engineered for real-world performance. The Benelux Slidor is an innovative smart truck system designed to make loading and unloading quicker, easier, and much safer. It features an automatic sliding roof and door that provide fast access to the cargo space without the need for manual handling. Built from strong yet lightweight aluminum, it helps lower the truck's overall weight, improving fuel efficiency and performance. The sliding door design offers better protection from harsh weather and enhances safety while goods are in transit. With its simple control system and low maintenance requirements, the Benelux Slidor is an excellent choice for modern logistics and transportation companies aiming to boost productivity and reliability. It's a smart and practical upgrade for improving efficiency in heavy-duty trucking operations.